And the damage to businesses in Florissant isn't on just one street. The line of shutdown stores actually stretches over 1 mile long. Many business owners told me they lost everything from the floodwaters, and they aren't sure when and if they can open their doors again. It's almost like a ghost town in Florissant Meadows Shopping Center.
We're all just completely shut down.
Walking from business to business, all you see are these closed signs and locked doors after rushing water took over this parking lot almost 2 weeks ago.
I've never seen it that bad. Of all the years that I've been here, I have not been through a flood this bad.
You can still see decorations on the walls in Melissa Ingram's yoga studio. The inspirational quotes are really all that's left of the dream business she opened just 4 months ago.
I was devastated and kind of in shock because I didn't know what to do next. And it feels like no one knows what we're supposed to do next.
The water came up all the way to this dark line, leaving Ingram with ripped outlets, walls, and pretty much having to start from scratch.
The water had a current to it, and it was strong enough to shake things off of my shelf and have it fall down into the water. So I lost things that were even up high and safe from water.
It's a similar story just a few doors down at this clothing store. The water actually came up to here, and you can still see some mud left over from the cleanup that still has to be done.
I lost all the shelves, what I have, this what I have left.
Fan after fan sits on the floor of Dream Modest Fashion, a store Yusuf Jaraba had only had open for 25 days when the flood came.
You're talking about 2 feet inside. I mean, the water here, it'd be more than 4 feet.
Losing 90% of the clothing he was selling in his shop. Now Jaraba's worried he'll lose more if help doesn't come soon.
If I cannot start working and make money to cover my bills, I'm losing the store, I'm losing my house.
Many of the businesses in that area have GoFundMe set up and are asking the community to help them with their electricity bills. Some of those bills have tripled and quadrupled because of the machines they're using to dry out their spaces.